Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gobbles from Gameoverse. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a line out to the left side. Then let's angle it down with a small line. And curve it down. And then let's angle it back in and over. Now let's hop back up and let's draw a line up. Angle it up and over. And bring it back down. Now let's draw a longer line down on the right side. And bring it back in. And then a line to close off the bottom of the head. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and add the face. Let's start on top of the snout and let's draw a bump up and bring it down. And then another one, curving it all the way around to the end like this. Now inside each eye in the center here, let's draw a small rectangle. Now top out and let's draw a curve along the left side, one along the right, and one more underneath. And then two small curves on the bottom right. Now lastly for the eyes, let's draw two downwards curves on top for the eyebrows. Now that we're done the eyes, let's hop into the snout and let's add two angled lines for the nostrils. And a curve at the bottom for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body starting with the tie. Let's start with the curve underneath the head. Then let's angle it in on each side. And another bump along the bottom. Now let's angle it up on the left and a longer angle all the way over on the right. Now to continue the tie, let's add two angles down underneath. And close off the bottom with a point. Now inside this bottom section, let's draw a curve down from the top. And then inside at the bottom, we're going to draw the letter G. Let's start with a large C-shaped curve. Then let's bring it in from the top and curve it around. Then bring it in, up, and across. And that's it for the tie. Now let's add the first arm. Underneath the head on the right, let's draw a long curve down. And then curve it back in underneath. Now let's hop in and let's draw a small angle. Bring it out. Then let's curve it down. And up to add the hand. And that's it for the first arm. Now let's hop over to the left side. Underneath the head, let's draw an angle down and a small angle underneath. Then we're going to add a large curve underneath, stopping underneath the hand for the belly. Now on the right, let's add a curve down and bring it out for the top of the tail. Next, a line down from the end, and then let's curve it back in, stopping here to leave room for the leg. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the belly patch. Let's start next to the arm and let's draw a curve across and continue it out on the other side. Now let's add a bent line underneath and a large curve down and back up to the hand. Now let's add a few more details on the body. On the right shoulder, let's draw a few small rectangles. And then a few more on top of the tail. Next, let's hop to the bottom and draw the legs. In the gap we left, let's draw 2 angles down and in. Then let's angle them back out. And then close off the bottom by angling them back in to form a point. Now for the left leg, let's draw a curve down and a smaller one on the inside. Now let's angle these back out to the left. And then a line across. And that's it for the legs. Now we're going to hop back up and we're going to draw the left arm. This one's hidden behind, so let's start under the head and let's draw an angle out and down. Another angle next to the belly and back in. And now lastly, on the right side, let's add the spikes. Let's draw an angle out from the shoulder, down, and back in. And then 2 more in the same way. And that's it for Gobbles. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!